Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the chapter Power Sharing from your Democratic Politics, that is Power Sharing, chapter number 1. So, students, today we are going to take up the exercise portion of the chapter. So, question number 1. What are the different forms of power sharing in modern democracies? Give an example of each of these. So, students, as we have studied in the chapter that there are certain divisions, right? Certain forms of power sharing. So number one, we have horizontal form of power sharing. If you remember horizontal, I have shown you with a figure I have made in the book. It was a rough figure I have made, but that is an important one. You can also represent your answer by making a figure that I have made, right? When power is shared among the various organs on the same level, various organs but on the same level, they are legislature, executive and judiciary. It is known as horizontal form of power sharing. Each organ keep a check on the another. Checks and balance. If you remember the term checks and balance. So next is vertical form of power sharing. When power is shared among the highest and the lowest authority of the government, highest and the lowest, highest on the top and lowest on the bottom, then it is known as vertical form of power sharing. In vertical form of power sharing, we have different levels. So they are national, state and local governments. So सेंट्रल यूनियन, फेडरल गवर्नमेंट, हम नेशनल को क्या बोलेंगे? सेंट्रल यूनियन या फिर फेडरल. हमारी कंट्री में सेंट्रल और यूनियन वर्ड इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड, बट इन अदर कंट्रीज फेडरल वर्ड इज़ ऑल्सो बीइंग यूज्ड. देन ऑन नेक्स्ट नीचे वाले लेवल पे वी विल हैव स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स, देन रीजनल और प्रोविंशियल लोकल गवर्नमेंट्स वी हैव. Then students, we have power sharing among different social groups. So social groups are also involved in that. Power may also be shared amongst different social groups. In a diverse country like India, there are various social, linguistic and caste groups and power is shared among each group. Examples are also there. Minorities, OBCs, SCs and STs, they are given a fair share in power. So this kind of power sharing is used to ensure adequate representation of each community. Then students, number 4 part, we have power sharing among different political parties, pressure groups and movements. I am going to explain this also. In democracy, power is shared among different political parties, pressure groups and movements. We know that democracy provides the citizens a choice to choose their representatives. Such a choice is provided by various political parties who contest elections to win them. Such competition ensures that power does not remain in one hand and is shared among different political parties. So students, we have 4 divisions, 4 forms of power sharing. Number 1, horizontal, then vertical, then different social groups, then political parties, pressure groups, if you remember, okay, and movements also. Next question. State one prudential reason and one moral reason for sharing, for power sharing with an example from the Indian context. अब देखो Indian context. प्रूडेंशियल रीज़न आई हैव टोल्ड यू, जिसमें प्रॉफिट और लॉस के बारे में हम सोचते हैं, राइट. द प्रूडेंशियल रीज़न फॉर पावर शेयरिंग इज़ अ प्रिकॉशनरी मेज़र, ओके, ताकि हमारा नुकसान ना हो, एक प्रिकॉशनरी मेज़र की तरह है ये. दिस रीज़न फॉर पावर शेयरिंग इज़ गुड because it helps to reduce possibility of conflict between social groups. अब हम अपने कंट्री का ये एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Reserved constituencies for minority and women in assemblies and parliament is the best example of prudential reason of power sharing in India. ताकि आगे जाके कोई हमारी कंट्री में ही क्या हो, सिविल वॉर ना हो. दैट्स वाई पहले से ही उनको जगह दे दी है, ओके. मॉरल रीज़न, अब देखो मॉरल रीज़न. द मॉरल रीज़न फॉर पावर शेयरिंग इज़ द वेरी स्पिरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. अगर हम डेमोक्रेसी की बात करें तो अगर हम मॉरल रीजंस नहीं देखेंगे तो डेमोक्रेसी हम कह नहीं सकते कि हमारे पास डेमोक्रेसी है. देन decentralization of powers in India is the best example of moral reason of power sharing. कि पावर को डिसेंट्रलाइज किया गया, एक ही पॉइंट पे सारी की सारी पावर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड नहीं है. पावर इज स्प्रेड इन ऑल डायरेक्शन, सबके पास पावर है. ओके, सिर्फ सेंटर के पास पावर नहीं है. देन after reading this chapter, three students drew different conclusions. Which of these do you agree with and why? Give your reason in about 50 words. वैसे तो आप अपना रीज़न अपने आप भी दे सकते हो, राइट, बट आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज़ द राइट थिंग. अब सबसे पहले है थॉमन. Power sharing is necessary only in societies which have religious, linguistic और ethnic divisions. भाई थॉमन का तो ये कहना है. Okay, then Mathai, power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional divisions. Then we have Sif, every society needs some form of power sharing even if it is small or does not have social divisions. अब देखो आपके अकॉर्डिंग जो भी आपको लगे सही आंसर यू कैन राइट, बट आई विल टेल यू द राइट आंसर. राइट आंसर इज वी विल एग्री विद सेफ. Okay, that every society needs some power sharing even if it is small or does not have divisions. We are all aware that a democratic form of government is the one which is of the people, by the people and for the people. So its members or citizens through participation acquire a stake in a system. So power sharing not only prevents conflict between various social groups in society, but it also generates a sense of inclusiveness also. So power sharing is important. Okay, चाहे किसी भी तरह की गवर्नमेंट हो या किसी भी तरह की सोसाइटी हो. Then a mayor of Midcatem, a town near Brussels in Belgium, has defended a ban on speaking French in the town's schools. He said that the ban would help all non-Dutch speakers integrate in this Flemish town. Do you think that this measure is in keeping with the spirit of Belgium's power sharing arrangements? Give your reasons in about 50 words. Ab this question is to be done by you only. Okay, I will just tell you the answer yes or no. It is no. It is not right, but you are supposed to give reasons for your answers by yourself. So students, up to here only we will study today up to question number 4. Rest of the questions we will do in the next video. Thank you students, have a nice day. इतना आपने ये क्या करना है, अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में काम करना है.